Okay, so I ordered 2 of each potato wedges, the waffle fries, and the dumplings, and then ordered a 20-piece wing, half original and half sweet and spicy. And then you got the sriracha ketchup over here. Okay, so we're waiting for the wings and a couple more of the orders, and then we'll show you that. Aw, man. My friend's so fat. How's the chicken?
Good. I'm burning though, but it's good.
How's your hell chicken?
Oh no, I don't. It's not spicy.
It wasn't that spicy. It's like popcorn chicken you get from
it's like someone just put chili powder on it, that's it.
But when you say spicy.
That's all it was. That's all it was.
Actually, you know what it is? I think they grabbed the ramen package and
what the hell's going on here? Oh my god! Oh, damn.
This might be yours, man. Hey,
I can't use that anymore.
You know why? Because I'm trying to get
Just waiting for season 2.
I'm trying to get into AX. That's why I'm putting up all the stickers.
Can you repeat that?
The only reason why I'm putting up all the stickers is I'm trying to get into AX. Fresh start.
Well, if you want to get to AX, buy those, what you call bumpers from Japan.
Dude, that'd be dope. Leaving my mark. Does this work, or as slap tagging?
No, that'll work. I got my brother doing that with skate stickers.
I know, I seen that.
Yeah.
Man. Well, leave it, bro. Boy, you fucking it up. And all of it's glory right there. Right.
I can't wait for season 2.
I know, I'm excited for it.